Okay, now I'm ready to work with my neck strap. So when I do this, I remember that I have interfacing that goes with each of these. So I am going to take my interfacing and just put it along the back side of this to start with here. Okay, and this is just sewing interfacing, so when I iron, it doesn't matter which side I use. And I can tell that when I feel it too. So it's always good to double check your interfacing. And I can tell by feeling that neither side has got anything that's going to melt to my fabric. This side has my buttonhole markings on it that I can see. So I actually want to go over to the opposite side here. And I am going to take and fold over 1/4 of an inch. So 1/4 of an inch of my fabric is about that much here. So I'm going to fold that much over. And I'm going to go ahead and press that. And I am pressing both the interfacing and my fabric here. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to do that to the other strap as well. And now I'm going to take and fold this in half with my right sides together, and I'm going to go ahead and pin this. So folding in half right on that fold line that I have. Okay, and then next I am going to go ahead and I will be sewing this. So I'm going to sew along this long edge here as well as the edge that I did not turn. The turned edge I am going to keep open, and I'm going to use a 3/8 seam allowance. So again, I'm going to leave this open. I'm going to sew along this long edge and sew along this short edge here with a 3/8 inch seam allowance. So I need to do the same thing here to this other piece before I begin sewing. The next part that I need to do is I need to turn these right side out. The first thing though that I am going to do is I'm just going to clip the corner so that this doesn't get too bulky. Is I'm just going to take and clip kind of a diagonal across the corner there, and that'll take away some of the bulk that will get added to the strap in that area if I hadn't done kind of that there. And now I can go ahead and I can turn these right side out. Once your straps are turned right side out, you just want to press them, and you're just going to do so that your seam stays right along the side, and this should put the buttonhole kind of in the middle of one side of the strap.